Okay, students, before going to the next problem, that is balancing, I forgot to show. So the problem, that is Sachin and Pratham, when you make the total, you will get 37,600. So e 37,600 in the minus 6,000, minus 4,000, minus 9,000 ಮಾಡಿ, you will get 18,600. Okay, ಈಗ ಈ amount ಅನ್ನು you have to write two profits transferred to capital account. ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಗುವುದು profit, you will transfer it to your capital account. So you're going to write here. First write what was the name? Sachin. Then you write Pratham. Okay. See students, what was the ratio? How to solve it? Balance ಮಾಡಿ here. Ratio is through 3:2. 3:2 andre, see, Sachin you write 3. For Pratham you write 2. See here, one rough I will just show you. 3:2 andre, Sachinige 3, Prathamige 2. So share ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 3 divided by 3 add ಮಾಡಿ 5. Prathamid share will be 2 divided by add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು 5. 2 by 5. If 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 share is this one, Sachin 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 3 share is Sachin's. Okay, it's a simple mathematics which we have already studied in 10th standard. So 3 by 5, Prathamige 2 by 5, because the ratio was, yes, 3:2. If you want, just write. So multiplied by 18,600 here. 18,600 multiply ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, just multiply and put the answer here. It's a homework for you. ಇದನ್ನು 3 by 5 into 18,600 ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. 2 by 5 into 18,600 here you have to write. Yes, and this is the answer. Okay, yes. Now let's move on to the next problem, student. The second question in your question bank, that is Shiva and Basava are the partners sharing profits 2:1. See once again here 2:1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ Shiva share ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 divided by 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Basava share 1 divided by 3. Yes, okay. With capital ಎಷ್ಟು 25,000, 15,000 ಅಂತೆ. Okay, interest on capital agreed 6%. Basava allowed annual salary 1,500. Then they earned profit 10,000. Always ಈ profit ಗೆ entry first we will give. Yes, the simple rule, remember, profit and loss appropriation account ಅಲ್ಲಿ profits here you are writing. Business ಅಲ್ಲಿ if money comes inside, you will write in the credit side. Business ಇಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ you will write in the debit side. So first profit, by profit and loss account net profit ಆಗಿದೆ ಎಷ್ಟದು? See the question, yes, 10,000. First profit ಗೆ entry pass ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, now step by step we'll do. Interest on capital agreed 6%. So capital, interest on capital ಅಂದ್ರೆ capital ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? Shiva 25,000, Basava 15,000. ಸೊ ಈ 25 ಮತ್ತು 15,000 ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತೆ? 66%. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್. ಸೊ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 25,000 ಶಿವ, ಬಸವಾಗೆ 15,000. ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೋಡಿ? 6%. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್? 2 interest on capital. Why again I am writing in debit side? Because this is the money business have to pay to the partners. Our capital ಮೇಲೆ interest pay ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So right, which name is what? That is Basava. Sorry, Shiva is first. Shiva, and you'll write here Basava. Percent ಏನು ನೋಡಿ? question 6% ಅಂದೆ. 6 upon 100, 6 upon 100 into Shiva's money is how much? Question ನೋಡಿ, 25,000. 25,000. Basava's amount is how much here? Yes, 15,000. Calculate ಮಾಡಿ. 6 by 100 into 25,000 you will get 1,500. Basava's you do, how much you will get? Yes, 900. Yes, okay. Now this both you should add. When you add this both you will get 2,400. Once again I am telling students, you have to write this in the inner column. ಇದನ್ನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ 2 or 1 marks they are going to deduct. Yes, let me tell you once again, you have to write it in the inner column. Interest on capital ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is the amount business will pay this. ಇವರಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. So you are debiting it. Okay. Now next one what we'll see? Next one, see the question, students. Okay. Basava is allowed an annual salary 1,500. ಬಸವಾಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ ಟು ಬಸವ. business in the money is going outside. 1500 is going outside. Going outside, where you will write? Very good. You're going to write in the debit side. So to Basava's salary, annual salary andre direct bariri. Sometimes if they give monthly salary, amount into 12 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, I will tell that in future. Next problem. Salary is done. Next ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ students? See, next one annual salary ಆಗಿದೆ. During the year, okay, profits ಗೆ entry you have given. Provision of 2000 is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. See, provision of 2000 is to be made in respect to the manager. First of all, let's see where we are writing, debit or credit side. See, 2000 is to be made to the commission to manager. Manager ಗೆ commission ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ದುಡ್ಡು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. From where? From the business money is going outside. When the money is going outside, where will you write? Debit or credit side? Very good. You're going to write in the debit side. So write to provision for manager's commission. Direct amount 2000. Once again I will tell, if the money is going outside from the business, you will write in the debit side. If the money is coming inside in the business, andre you will write in the credit side. Yes. Is there anything else, students? Yes, check it. Provision aitu. Now interest on drawing. Shiva 1500, Basava 1000. ಇದು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಈ ಶಿವ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಸವ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಸಮ್ ಮನಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಟು ದಿಯರ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಂದ ದುಡ್ಡು ಮನೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋದ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಪುಟ್ ದಮ್ ಫೈನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಪೇ. ಶಿವ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಸವ ಆರ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್. ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಇಸ್ ರಿಸೀವಿಂಗ್ ಮನಿ. ಸೊ ವೇರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್? ಡೆಬಿಟ್ or credit side? Very good. You're going to write in the credit side. So write interest on, you can write, sorry, buy you write, I forgot to write buy interest on drawing. Shiva, Basava. Shiva's is how much? See the question? Yes, 1500. Basava is how much? 1000. Once again, inner column alli baribeku. If you write directly outside, 1 mark they are going to deduct. So add this. When you write, add it, write 2500. Okay, now I will show you totaling. Do the total on both the side. Obviously looks like this side is more, credit side is more, profit idu. 10 plus 2500 is what? Yes, easy. 12,500. Isn't it? Both the side, right? 12,500. ಈಗ ಈ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಇದು 3 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 12,500 minus 2,000 minus 1,500 minus 2,400. It will give you, yes, 6,600. Now what you will write, right? Two profits transferred to capital account. Yes, who will get the profits? Write the people's name. Shiva and Basava. ಈಗ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಸಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ 2:1 ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದು ಶಿವ, ಇದು ಬಸವ. ಶೇರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? 2 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ 3. 1 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 3 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇದು ಶೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಎಸ್, ನಾವು ರೈಟ್ ಶಿವಾದೇನಿದೆ 2/3, ಬಸವಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ 1/3 ಇಂಟು ಟೋಟಲ್ ವಾಸ್ 16,600. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. Yes, when you multiply this you will get 4,400. Again you have to write it in the inner column. If you're going to write in the direct outer column, your marks will going to be deducted. Let me tell you straight. 1/3 into 6,600 multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2,200 ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. Only this amount should be written in outer column. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲ amount inner column ಇರಬೇಕು. See here outer column, ಇದು amount inner column ಇರಬೇಕು. If you're going to write it outer, you are going to lose many marks. Okay students, thank you.